Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best fiber mascaras in 2019. To see the price and more information about these fiber mascaras, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5. We have the Long and Luscious 3D Fiber Lash Mascara. The 3D Fiber Mascara by Long and Luscious is making women rave about this new product. You will not need any falsies or extension when you use the 3D Fiber Mascara by Long and Luscious, as you will get longer, thicker lashes right away. Getting luscious and long lashes are quite comfortable with the 3D Fiber Mascara by Long and Luscious these days. Your real lashes will be dramatic, full and longer, thanks to the 3D Fiber Mascara by Long and Luscious. At number 4. We have the Simply Naked Beauty 3D Fiber Lash Mascara. The 3D Fiber Lash Mascara by Simply Naked Beauty is the right product for a woman that happens to have a face without lashes, short lashes or even thin lashes out there. The 3D Fiber Lash Mascara by Simply Naked Beauty will allow you to have those amazing sexy lashes that you have been dreaming of for so long. If your usual mascara is not just enough, the 3D Fiber Lash Mascara by Simply Naked Beauty can do the trick right away. The 3D Fiber Lash Mascara by Simply Naked Beauty could be considered the best lashes for women outside of any salon. Check out the description for more information about these product and latest price. At number 3. We have the Lash Factory 3D Fiber Lash Mascara. The Lash Factory 3D Fiber Lash Mascara will allow you to achieve the wonderful look of a lash extension, and you will not have to spend an arm and a leg to get it. You can look fresher and younger today, thanks to Lash Factory 3D Fiber Lash Mascara. The Lash Factory 3D Fiber Lash Mascara has been made of natural, high-quality ingredients, including the great green tea fiber. If you wear contact lenses or have sensitive eyes, you can safely use Lash Factory 3D Fiber Lash Mascara right away. The Lash Factory 3D Fiber Lash Mascara is also water resistant. At number 2. We have the Younique Moodstruck 3D. The Younique Moodstruck 3D will allow you to get the long sexy eyelashes that you have been waiting for a long time. You will love the Younique Moodstruck 3D and you will be addicted to this product as well. The Younique Moodstruck 3D will allow you to get a wealth of compliments right away, and the item is also very easy to use. The Younique Moodstruck 3D will allow you to get beautiful eyelashes in mere seconds. Lastly, at number 1. We have the Adora 400X Silk Fiber Lash Mascara. The Adora 400X Silk Fiber Lash Mascara will allow you to get the amazing eyelashes that you have always wanted, and you will not have to resort to falsies, fancy mascara or even lash extensions. The Adora 400X Silk Fiber Lash Mascara uses a non-irritating formula that you will love right away, and the product just goes on smoothly at all times as well. There is also a protective carrying case included in the package, and the Adora 400X Silk Fiber Lash Mascara also has a free ebook that you can read right away. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.